Hi all, this is my first video for the Digwell Green Fingers Single Seed Potato Challenge. If you want to know a bit more about it, hop over to Steve's YouTube channel at Digwell Green Fingers. But the challenge is to grow a single seed potato and obtain the biggest yield you can from it. Steve's sent me my potato here, which I've had chitting away for a little while now. And what I'm going to do in today's video is just cut it into pieces so that I can obtain several plants from it and get several yields. I think it's the same approach that most people will be taking. Ideally you want a chit on each piece if you can. So what I'm going to do now is just cut this into sections, leave it to dry for a few days and the wounds to heal. The cuts to heal, and then I'm going to pop it in some small pots, see if I can get them to grow, and if they grow into plants then I'll put them into say 30-35 litre tubs and see if I can get a decent yield out of them. So let's get cutting. So we've got a big chit here. To be honest, we've just got the two really big chits. There's a couple of areas where you might get a chit, but I'm just going to go for it. So that is coming off there. That's going to come there. A piece there that might chit. This here has got several. So I'm tempted to go down the middle there. I reckon I can get one off of each if I do that. Again, maybe not, we'll see. That's come out, so you've got a bit on each side, look. Let's see if that works. Ideally that's 3, 4, 5. I'm going to try, because I've got a bit on this side and a bit on that side. I'm going to try and slice that one as well. That might not work, but we'll see. So I'm just going to pop these now into here, just let this dry off a bit, and then I'm going to pot these out into small pots and some compost, and onward into the bigger tubs. So if you want to follow this and see how it turns out, could turn out great, could all go horribly wrong. Just subscribe and it will alert you when I post the next videos. Okay, bye, have a good day.